Hello, Bob. Hi, Bob. Please unmute yourself once you're ready, Bob, so we can
Hello,
start.
teacher.
Okay, how are you today, Bob?
I'm fine.
Okay, well, that is good to know. Wait, why can't I see you? What are you doing?
Drink the water.
Oh, you're drinking water. What did you eat for breakfast today?
Your rice.
Oh, just sticky rice?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Did you watch a movie, Bob?
Yes.
Always. And did you learn?
Nope.
Nope. Why? Why not? Why are you laughing?
I don't want to.
Did you swim?
Yes, I could swim.
Okay, I see. That is why you did not learn. Okay. So, what's the weather like today, Bob? Is
It
it sunny
is.
or
Yes.
rainy? Okay. Right now in my place, it is raining.
It is sunny in one place.
Oh, it is sunny in your place. Well, that is good to know, Bob. Do you like sunny or rainy? Uh,
Sunny. Nope. Rainy.
Rainy. Okay. So you like cold. Okay. So now, Bob, we'll start by answering your homework. Why are you scribbling on the screen, Bob? Bob?
Prince Charles is not
Charles,
Charles.
continue.
Prince Charles was not.
Charles
Charles
was
was
not
not Canada
Canadian.
Canadian. He is English.
Okay, thank you for that, Bomb. So in here we're talking about nationality, right? Like for example, you are Vietnamese, I am Filipino. So in here we will not use was not, Bomb, or is not.
Is not.
Okay, yes, is not. Okay, so the correct answer is A. Okay, so yes, very good. Prince Charles is not Canadian, he is English. Now, next one, Bomb,
I want to be an artist when I was a child.
Is that your final answer, Bomb?
I
B?
wanted to be an artist when I was a child.
Very good. It
Mm,
is letter A. Great job, So always remember, when I was a child, that's already in the past. Will not use want nor once, but wanted. Okay, what about three?
um, he went building
Hmm?
on the car.
You went
No, no, no.
blind?
He went building. Nope. He came building in the car. Up, options.
Accident?
Accidents on the speech.
Okay, yes, that is correct, Bomb, because in here we're expressing that he became blind after the accident, right? Okay, this is blind, by the way, Bomb. Blind. Okay, blind car accident. Okay, so the correct answer is still A. Okay, he came blind in the car accident on the beach. Now, what about four?
Mm, my friends gave gave
Give. Okay, gave.
gave a present to me. On the London holiday last year.
Okay, yes, very good, Bam. That is correct. It is D. Okay, now what about 4, 5?
It
It
didn't rain a lot during our holiday.
Okay, yes, very good. It's still A. Now what about 4, 6?
What is the man?
What a man.
He is. He forgot his passport.
Mm-hmm.
And lost
Lot.
key.
Okay.
Lost keys
Lost keys.
of his car yesterday.
Okay, yes, that is correct, Bam. Thank you so much for that. Okay, so the correct answer here is C. Okay, so now let us proceed to another item. Okay, can you tell me your answer for 7?
Did you watch a football match on the TV? No, I
Mhm.
didn't, but it was broadcast on radio.
Okay, so now in here, Mom, we are not going.
No. Did you watch a football match on TV? No, I didn't, but it was broadcast to no on the radio on in the radio on the radio.
Okay, yes, on the radio or on radio. What about 8?
Age I can I talk with Mr. Adams in on your mobile phone?
Okay, thank you, Bob. Now in here, we are talking.
It on your mobile phone.
Yes, it is on, Bob, but it is not. Can I talk with?
Wait, 2 minutes. Can I talk with Mr. Art on your mobile phone? I said that one.
Yes, you said with. Okay, now in here, Bob, we say talk
But you
to
said
someone
why?
because it's not with. It's to. Can I talk to? Okay, we say talk to someone on a mobile phone, Bob. We only say can I talk with Mr. Adam on mobile phone? Well, that is correct as well, and that is generally accepted, Bob, because it is possible in conversation, right? But test usually like this, Bob, it expects talk to. Okay, that is why. But yes, both are sensible answers, Bomb. They are very understandable answers. Okay, next one, 9.
It was a really bad joke. No one laughs at his joke.
Okay, yes, very good. That's correct. Now, item 10.
I learned in internet that
In?
pop
Is it in the internet?
The 3rd November. Alone. I learned on the internet. In the internet. I learned on the internet. The internet that a popsicle is it's on the 3rd of November.
Okay, so our correct answer here is D. Okay, on the internet. We don't say in the internet, Bomb. That is grammatically incorrect. Okay, so I learned on the internet that a pop concert is on the 3rd of November. Now, what about for 11?
Who is wearing the girl?
Who's the blonde girl?
Blonde girl. Who is blonde girl in the first round?
Row. Okay, that's right. Who's the blonde? This is blonde, Bomb. When we say blonde, that is a hair color which means pale yellow. Okay, first row, Bomb. First row, like this. Okay. This is the first row. This one. But this one is column. Okay. So this is the first column. First column, first row. Okay, so now next one, 12.
12.
Yes.
You fight the poem at page 16.
Okay, now in here, Bomb, we don't.
In page.
It's on page.
On page.
Okay, on page 16. What about 13?
They live in the city since 1918.
Okay, well, you don't have to say 1980, Mom. You only have to say 1980. Okay, they lived in this city since, 1980. Now, what about for 14?
The Green live in London
What do you think?
for 6 years.
Very good. What about 15?
What is Anna's birthday? It is on the 8th.
Is it what? Is it what, Mom? Is it what? What is Amanda's birthday?
No.
No, right?
It is when?
Very good. When is Amanda's birthday? It is?
What? It is in. No, it is on.
On the 25th. Okay, yes, that is correct, Bomb. When is Amanda's birthday? It is on the 25th of November. Okay, there you have it. Because we only use in, Bomb, if it is a general, but if it is specific, we'll use on. If it's very specific, that is the time we'll use at. Okay, so now since we're done with that one, let us proceed to your...
No, 15.
Yes, we're done. That is 15. That is 15, Amanda's birthday.
What is it?
Here. Stan.
I can't see it.
Oh, you can see
Oh,
it?
you say I see it. No, I
Oh.
can't.
What do you mean I can and I can't? Okay, so we're done with that one. So now we'll proceed to your book for a moment, Bob. Okay, let me see. We're already in page 22 of practice. Okay, in here. So in here, all you have to do is to fill in the blanks with like or don't like to make these sentences true for you. Okay, so can you tell me your answer for one, Bob?
I don't like heavy metals.
What about for two?
What is wrench?
Reggae, Bomb. We've talked about this one last time, Bomb. Okay, so here. Oh, you forgot it.
Oh,
Okay,
no. I don't like reggae.
okay, now what about three?
I like drums.
Four?
I like rock music.
Oh, okay. I see. So you like loud music. What about five?
I just like hip hop.
And six? I think you
I
like
like pop.
Okay, yes, indeed, you like this one. Okay, can you think of any more types of music, Bomb?
Yes.
What other types of music do we have aside from the ones that we have talked about?
It's Mr. Chicken.
What? What is
I
that?
don't know.
Oh, you don't know? Okay, we also have country music, Bomb. That
I
is
just know football players.
Oh, you only know football players. Okay. Do you watch the FIFA World Cup, Bomb?
Yes.
Oh, you do.
FIFA World 365.
Do we have Vietnam football players in FIFA World Cup or no?
Yes.
Yes, we do. Oh.
No. Oh, yes. No,
Yes.
Wait a minute. Oh, no.
No, okay, I see. So
Vietnam
now,
is in Thailand.
oh, okay, Vietnam players joined Thailand.
Yes. It's in
Oh,
Thailand.
okay. Okay, I
Vietnam has
see.
two teams.
Oh, it has two
One is in
teams.
Hanoi and the team 11. Wait.
Okay.
Team 11 U11 U11 is U11 is play with the yeah. I play in Hanoi and the U24 is play in Thailand.
Okay, I see. That is why. Thank you so much for sharing that, Abam. Okay, so now in here we'll have this vocabulary.
Brazil is Nova.
What can you say about Spain?
Spanish.
Spain.
In Spanish, it
Spain.
has.
Spain.
Can you draw the what?
Spain.
Spain. This.
Tây Ban Nha.
Oh.
Did you watch their game?
Yes.
Oh, yes, you did. Okay. So you really watch FIFA World Cup these days. Okay, so now, anyways, Mom, we'll continue with our discussion and maybe we'll just.
Ronaldo no. Messi like Ronaldo, but Ronaldo doesn't like him.
Oh no. Okay.
In
That's fine.
when Ronaldo was 14, he can't. No, when Ronaldo was 36, he can't play football.
Okay, but now he can.
Nope.
No,
Because
too.
in 41, he's very fat. And in
Mm.
41, Messi can play, but his leg is injured. That's why in the sixth,
The sixth one,
20,
20, yes.
26, World Cup, and the first one, the World Cup in FIFA World 26.
Okay, I see. So you like watching football
Because my
games.
brother,
Your brother, you mean B?
cousin.
Oh, your cousin. Okay, yes. What about your cousin?
My cousin play games FIFA on his mom iPad.
Oh, okay. That's nice. By the way, Bomb, do you know Bomb?
Huh?
Do you know Bomb and Ben?
Ben?
Yeah, do you know Bomb and Ben?
Yes.
Do do you live near their house?
One is tall and Ben is short.
Yes, they are brothers, right?
Yes, I is near.
Oh, they live near you. Okay. Are you friends?
I am friends last and now I don't friends.
Oh, why? Why are you not friends now?
He go and then like this. And
Oh, he went
no,
on a vacation.
and in his Papa too. Papa
Oh,
is my friend, but not I don't know him.
okay.
America man is my friends. Give me
Mhm.
5 cars.
Oh, okay. Yes, and that
Papa
is
get 5
Michael.
cars, and then he
Mm.
doesn't give back. And Ben get 5 cars, and then he put on his class, and he said, "Now we can't go. That's why he can play up here. That's why, and no one can describe it."
Oh, okay. Because I think they're not in their house now, Bomb. They are in their grandparents' house.
Nope, it's their house.
Yes, right now they are in their grandparents' house. I think they're not
Nope.
in a way. Oh, they are there.
Wait a
Oh,
minute.
what are you doing?
Nope, they doesn't go to their grandma house.
How did you know? You're just guessing, I think. You're just
Nope.
guessing.
Do
Then
you
why did you
teach
say?
it?
Yeah. Yeah, I teach them, Bob.
What do they like?
What do you mean what they like? What they like to do? They like football too, just like you.
What do you
Football,
mean?
chess.
Wait, Bond is wait a minute. Bond is what how much years old?
Wait, let me check. Bomb, he is 13 years old.
Oh, I didn't know him. I didn't know.
And Ben is 10 years old, just like you.
Nope. Now
What?
I am 9 years old.
Oh, okay, you're still 9. Sorry,
I think it's
Bomb.
my cousin. He he is Bond is 10 years old and Ben is uh
No, I'll show you pictures. I'll show you pictures.
Okay. It's not one that you talking.
Wait. No, not. Okay, this is Ben.
Yeah, see? Okay, see?
Hello, teacher.
This is Ben, right?
Can you do again? This
Here.
is Ben?
Yes, this is Ben.
Where's Bon?
Wait, let me go to his book. Okay, Bomb. That is Ben, right? Yes, that is Ben.
This?
No, the other one that I've shown you. I think he joined the class late for this class. Yes, he did. This one.
Then learn English.
Oh, I know him.
Okay, that is Mom, and this is Ben. They are brothers. Okay, so you can remember now. Okay, so that is it. Bomb. You have the same name. He's Bomb too. Or just Bomb, as in BOM. But yours, it's Bomb.
BOMB.
Yes. Okay, so now we'll just talk about that more tomorrow. Okay, so thank you so much, Anne. Stay safe there, Mom. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.